Man and goat die in St. Elizabeth car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man died as a result of injuries he sustained when he lost control of his car on the Brays River Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Sunday. The crash also resulted in the death of a goat. The police named the deceased as Devon Samuels, age 27, a resident of Brays River in the parish. A police report said that at around 10:15 a.m., Mr. Samuel was driving his 2011 Toyota Axio motor car when he lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into a perimeter post. The post collapsed and fell onto the goat, killing the goat on the spot. The car overturned during the crash. Samuel was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Statistics from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show that up to Sunday morning, 37 people died in road crashes since the start of the year compared to 46 during the corresponding period last year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.